Welcome to control, the phase most projects skip, which is why most projects quietly unimprove within a year. Improve banked the gains, control keeps them. And its flagship instrument is the control chart, the voice of the process, telling you the difference between noise you should ignore and signals you must chase. Today, how the chart works, how to pick the right one, and our improved packaging line monitored live in the LeanProjax platform. Let's stand guard. The Shewhart idea, one sentence. Every process varies. The chart tells you which kind of variation you're looking at. 3 lines. The center line at the process average and control limits at plus and minus 3 sigma, calculated from the data, not from the spec. Inside the limits, random pattern, common cause. The process talking to itself. Leave it alone. Beyond a limit, or in a suspicious pattern, special cause. Something changed. Go find it. React to signals, not to noise. That discipline is the whole phase. Picking the chart, the exam's favorite question. Measuring something continuous. Time, weight, length. One value at a time. The IMR pair. Small subgroups like 5 parts an hour, X bar and R, counting instead. Defective units out of a varying sample, the P chart. Defect counts per fixed unit. Scratches per panel, jams per shift, the C chart. Keywords, percent defective, volume varies. A P, number of defects per shift. C, match the data type and the chart family follows. Let's put the improved line under guard. I'll use the LeanProjax platform, control chart tool, C chart family, jams per shift, account per fixed unit of time. 20 post-improvement shifts go in. The chart draws, center line at 0.9, under 1 jam a shift. Remember we started near 3, upper control limit about 3.7. Every point inside, no runs, no trends. The improvement is stable. The new normal is real. And this chart doesn't retire. It stays on the line, and the day a point jumps the limit, the team investigates that shift, not the whole process. Reading signals without false alarms. The big 4, 1 point beyond 3 sigma. Investigate. 8 in a row on one side of center. The mean shifted. 6 steadily rising or falling. A trend. Points hugging the limits. Something systematic. And the discipline that separates belts from meddlers, do not tamper. Adjusting a stable process on every wiggle ADDS variation. Deming proved it with a funnel. Signals get action, noise gets left alone. Exam drill. Question 1. You track the percent of defective forms daily and daily volume varies. Which chart? The P chart, defective units, varying sample size, that's its exact home turf. Question 2. 1 point lands above the upper control limit. Your teammate says recalculate the limits. Correct them. No, that point is a signal. Investigate the special cause first. Limits only get recalculated after a known sustained process change, never to make a signal disappear. The line is under guard, stable at under 1 jam a shift, with tripwires that catch trouble the day it arrives. Next lesson, Lean's contribution to control. Poka-yoke mistake proofing, visual management, and the 5S audit that keeps the floor honest. Prevention beats detection. Subscribe and I'll see you there.